Let's explore MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database, often used with Node.js applications. It is a modern database for modern applications. MongoDB is a document-oriented NoSQL database. It stores data in flexible JSON-like documents with dynamic schemas. Thus, it is a document database. Let's compare NoSQL databases like MongoDB with traditional SQL databases. SQL databases use structured data in tables with fixed schemas, relationships, and ACID compliance. On the other hand, NoSQL databases use flexible documents with dynamic schemas. They are scalable and optimized for modern applications. MongoDB has several key features. First, it uses a document model, storing data in JSON-like documents with dynamic schemas. Second, it offers high performance with fast queries and horizontal scaling. Third, it provides a flexible schema, allowing you to evolve your data structure without migrations. Finally, it is built for scale with automatic sharding and replication. MongoDB stores data in a JSON-like document format. A document can have fields like ID, name, age, email, active status, skills, and even a nested profile object. This flexibility means documents can contain nested objects, arrays, and various data types without requiring a rigid table structure. MongoDB works seamlessly with Node.js. Here's an example of a simple connection. You can use the MongoDB client to connect to your database, access a specific database, and then access a collection. The benefits of using MongoDB with Node.js include native JavaScript object handling, async or await support, and rich query capabilities. Let's look at some basic MongoDB operations. To create or insert a document, you can use the insert_one method. To read or find documents, you can use the find_one or find methods. To update documents, you can use the update_one method. To delete documents, you can use the delete_one method. Why should you choose MongoDB? It offers rapid development and prototyping capabilities. It's perfect for modern web applications. It handles complex data structures with ease. And it scales with growing applications. Overall, MongoDB provides the flexibility and performance needed for modern Node.js applications. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.